Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5403P. This is a 2020 Ford Transit cargo van with 131 for K, 3.5 liter V6 in this one. This is your mid-height 148 wheelbase, which as far as I'm concerned, kind of the ultimate combination. It's nicely outfitted out back. We've got a Ranger bulkhead with some E-tracking for strapping stuff, as well as Ranger shelving on both driver's and passenger side. Then again, some straps here for tank storage. It's got a nice hydraulic drop-down ladder rack that can house two ladders, one on either side, both of which are hydraulically assisted to drop right down on the side of the van. You've got 11 feet from the bulkhead to the back door in here, so you can fit full lengths of pipe. Still plenty of room for furnaces, water heaters, air conditioners, reels of cable, Milwaukee packouts, whatever you might be lugging around. And then with the mid-height, you got 5.5 feet of interior room, and then you also get some shelving that's a little bit taller as well. You get a little bit more storage room in there. This one's got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air and tilt. There's also Bluetooth. There's some storage up top for paperwork. And a van like this works great for any sort of contracting fleet, whether you're in the plumbing and heating business, electrical business, or general contracting business. Having a mid-roof 148 wheelbase transit van like this would definitely be a great addition to your fleet. In stock number 5403, a 2020 Ford Transit Cargo.